Craig with Authentic Battle Damage, and today we're going to make a couple changes, and then I think we're going to change things over in the model to using binary checks to see who has a place where on the board. So, going to make this private because we don't actually want it to be accessed outside of the model. This should create a problem for us in the view, which it does. So we're going to create a method called owner or isOwner. Public, get owner. Let's public string get owner, and we will ask for the location, and then what we then can do is we can return boards location, and then here what will be get owner. Whoops. Owner. Just going to fix these up quick. There. And yeah, that should do it. And then let's also rename this. So I'm going to do a mech command R, and let's just call it board. All right, so now the board is just being accessed within the model, and that's how I like it. So let's also create something in the view called display message, and we'll go public void display message string message console.writeLine message, and then we can replace that here by doing view.display message. There we go. There, that way that way we're not doing a console, because that's something that we want the view to do. So and then in here we also have some stuff that, like I don't think I want to clear this. And then here we should really be sending that to the view. So, yeah, I'm going to think about that. Because, here we're doing a console.writeLine in our model. Yeah, we don't want to do that. So, the model needs access to the view. But we don't really want that. So, the model would need to report back to the controller, because here we're checking for an error. Yeah, I'm gonna think about this. But yeah, we don't want that. We don't want to be doing console write messages here. So I think what would be better is if we returned if there was an error, and then so return spot taken error, and then in the check for error, so then if error model dot switch players, and then here we can do and yeah, so then we want to pause, so we can put that in the view where we can do public void public string get input, and then return console.read line. And then we can call that here get input. And then we can also do that here, view.get input. And then we see here also we have like a, this is kind of like a press any key to continue. So we could just change that into the view. So we could say like, we could say public void press any key. And then move this to here. Whoops. And then get input. And then change this to view. Oh boy. View dot press any key. So that simplifies that. So here we wanted to show the answer. But so what I'm going to use what's called a tuple. So we're going to change our check for error, and we're going to return a tuple. And this is something that is so stupid that I've known about it. In fact, I used tuples all the time in either Swift or Perl or Python. I mean, I love them. Absolutely love them. And I'll use them whenever I can use them. So what it is it's a way of combining data and returning it as an object. And C# has this, the tuple. And then you can specify bool and say string. And then what you can do is you can do tuple.create. Wait, tuple create. Bool string. But there's an even better way. It's kind of built in. It's built in the language now. So rather than doing this, we can actually just do a parentheses with a bool error and then string answer. Now I'm going to have to give it a different name. Let's call it, well, maybe I don't. Yeah, that works. So then we can just return the spot taken error and answer. And then over here, where we get, so this is actually creating a tuple, which is hilarious. We can say the error, and then we can literally access, oh, come on. Yeah, answer, yeah. So here, if error, and then here we would do the error dot answer. So it creates an object. And if we take a look at this, you'll see that it's got the signature of bool, error, string, answer. It's a type of tuple. But then it gives you the ability to dot each of the properties, which is awesome. So let's see what display. Oh, yeah, right. So I'm doing a string format here, and display message doesn't support the string format, so I've got to use string.format. Perfect. Oh, what's it saying here? Variable decoration can be deconstructed. Cool. Let's see what is your deconstruction offer? What do you think? Oh, yeah, we could let's do that. So we, rather than making it into a variable, we just grab the error, the answer, and then we can just use them separately. Cool. I like it. I dig it. I'm down with it. I'm down with what the kids are down with. Checka. Okay, good. All right, well, I talked about maybe adding the binary parts to this, but I think we're going to close this one off for now. And I'm just going to do a quick look to see if there's anything else that I want to change. Oh, let's make this field read-only. Yeah, let's do that. I like that. Wait, hold on a second. Yeah, that works. Because when you make it read-only, yeah, let's just test it. Because when you make something read-only, it depends on when you set it. And because we set it in the constructor, it looks like we're good. C3. Anyway, yeah, I really need to make some tests. That would be really good. So that way I can just run the tests and know that everything is good. So, okay, awesome. Till next time.